If I'm going to be a bridesmaid, I want that one.
How much?
I'd wear it loads after the wedding.
For what? School discos and going down the pub with me and your dad.
Please, it's not that expensive. Some people have prom dresses which cost more than that.
Oh, darling, it's not going to be that kind of wedding. It's not about showing off. It's about showing how much we love each other. Anyway, I'm not even going to spend that much on my own outfit.
If you can't afford it, Lawrence can.
Hey, don't even think about it. Your dad would be very upset if he knew that Lawrence was buying your dress. So put that back and stop trying to blackmail me, for goodness sake. Oh, I've forgotten sausages. Oh.
I'll get them for you. JK, bring Laurel's stuff in for me, will you?
Do I have to?
Yes. And stop messing with your hair. We're working with food. $3.20 for the sausages.
Hello, Jacob. How's school?
Great.
And how's your mum doing in Portugal?
Great.
Don't you say anything else?
Yeah.
Do you want to start with this?
Why are you going red?
I don't know how much they are. Hold on.
What's up with him?
Hormones. I think you've got an admirer.
You must need a break. You've not been to the toilet all afternoon.
You said you had stuff to do. I'll be all right for a bit longer.
Right, OK, then. Well, I'll be through in the house. If you get desperate, just yell.
Love your hair.
Thanks. It's $4.95, please.
I don't have any money. And I need to show Lawrence a dress.
Why don't you ask him for the cash? He's loaded.
He gets jealous when we talk about Dad. And it's gonna be the last time we do anything as a family before Dad gets sick and dies.
I'm really sorry.
I want everything to be perfect for his special day. And Laurel won't buy me the dress, so I need to ask Lawrence for the money tonight.
Stick it in your bag. Quick.
You're dead special, JK.